Hello everyone, this is Daniel and you're watching Coin Help You, and I'm going to give you 7 reasons why I think you should be buying slab coins and collecting them. I'm going to give you 7 pros, maybe more, maybe less. They're not going to be in order, but I'm going to give them to you anyways. I'm going to tell you what I think about slab coin. So first off, before we get started, my website is portsmouthcoinshop.com. I have coins for sale. You can check out the inventory here. I'm always adding something. Also, CoinZip for your coin shows, coin dealers. That's a nice site to go to and find out about what's going on in your local area. So when I say graded, encapsulated slab coins, this is what I'm referring to. PCGS, NGC, ANACS or ANACS, and ICG. Those are the top 4 grading companies currently that share the market value all alone by themselves pretty much. As with anything that I say when it comes to collecting, the top reason, or at least the reason I'm going to start off with when it comes to buying and collecting slab coins, is if you like doing it, then you do it. All the rest doesn't matter. If you like coins and these holders, like I do, then you buy them and you collect them and you keep them, okay? Don't need any other reasons. Don't even need to move further. But for those of you who might be wondering what are the benefits, then continue watching the video. So, after we get that reason out of the way, now we want to go into the reasons a little more in depth. So, next up would be coins are protected. Obviously, if I have this proof, I drop it on the floor or the table or the desk, it's probably going to get scratched. If I drop this, it won't. These are protected. Now, they're not airtight in the sense that there's no gas inside the chamber, but they are protected. But you need to store them properly, okay? Away from humidity, away from temperature changes and things like that. You should always store your slabs because they can tone inside the slabs if you're not careful. They typically don't, but they can. There are older holders that cause toning on coins, but the newer holders are more inert. Technology is even better. Now, that's really something you shouldn't worry too much about at all. Next thing is that your coins in a holder, they're authenticated. In other words, you can be guaranteed if you have an authentic slab and the slab's not been tampered with, that your coin is authentic. So then you don't have to worry about coins like a 1909 SVDB being a fake, or a 1914D being a fake, or a 93S Morgan dollar, all those key dates, the 16D. I mean, there are so many out there. There's almost more fakes of those coins than there are actual coins that were minted. So it is a concern. But if you buy them in a holder like a PCGS or NGC or ANACS or like the 4 I showed you here, you're not going to have to worry about that. They're authentic. Often when you buy coins in a slab, and let's say modern coins, let's say you want a complete slabbed Worsted quarter set. So when you get into the ones that are only worth maybe $1 or $2 a piece, like the clads from the 70s and the 60s that aren't silver, and the 80s and 90s, you can crack them out of proof sets and send them off, but you're going to have $18 to $20 a coin. Even in the best scenario, if you could send off 5 dates and you have to do bulk submissions. So dealers have done that for you. So typically you can go to a show and you can buy a graded quarter. Let's say it's a proof or whatever for basically 69 PR 69 or maybe a 65 to put in your set for anywhere from a couple dollars to $10. So you don't have to pay those fees. So it is cheaper in that sense to actually buy coins in the slabs. And you would do it for that reason. I have this Eisenhower dollar here that you would literally have to pay probably $10 for the coin itself in the brown ike, maybe even more. Maybe you'd have to pay $15 for it in the holder it came from the mint. Okay, so if you send it off, then you're gonna have another $20-some in it. But this one right here, you can get on eBay or MyCoinShop, and you can buy it for $25. So it's cheaper to buy it that way. It's not always the case, but it usually is. Then your coins are worth more in one of these holders. So typically, you might have a bunch of BU Morgan dollars, okay, and let's say they look 63 to 65, and you take them to a dealer. A dealer's going to pay you a straight fee right across the board. Whatever he pays, $28 for a BU Morgan or 30 or whatever it might be. It doesn't matter if it looks 65 to you or anybody else. I mean, he won't pay you 65 money for that coin. But if you have the coin in a holder labeled 65, you're probably going to get $80 to $90 out of that coin. maybe 70, I don't know. It just depends on the dealer, instead of just getting the $28 that he offered. And like I said, it could be 30. I don't know. I'm not trying to make out numbers, not trying to say anybody's paying whatever. I'm just throwing out some numbers to give you an example. Okay, so they are worth more. Obviously, when you do resale value on your collection to a dealer, that's another reason, because you're going to get more out of it. Really, the worth more is for selling it to collectors too, because you're just going to get more out of it overall. And one of the big reasons too to buy slab coins is you want to cherry pick for varieties. If someone sent a coin in and didn't even do it for variety reasons, just for getting it graded or authenticated, they often never check for varieties or didn't know about varieties. So obviously PCGS or NGC aren't looking for that for you. You have to check the box and you have to pay them a variety attribution fee or a mint error tier fee to actually get them to label your coin as a mint error or a variety. So it's always possible that you could go around cherry picking slabs. So it's another reason why you could buy slabs, is that might have a variety in there that someone overlooked or didn't have labeled. And now we get into a specialized type of cherry picking. I mean, people know about varieties and know about little minor errors and things like that. But if you're really good and you learn grading really well, you can possibly cherry pick an undergraded coin, resubmit it, and make money on it. So in other words, maybe you're going around picking up AU58 coins and they look uncirculated to you because of your experience, and you can send them off. There are some coins that really jump in value. Same thing with maybe a Mint State 66 Lincoln Center, a Mint State 67. Maybe it looks 68 to you. Maybe that 66 looks 67 and the coin jumps. Get a few of them together and resubmit them. That can cost you a lot of money doing that, but that is a possibility too. So that's pretty much your reasons. I have one more reason why you should buy slab coins, because I sell them on my website now in my coin shop, and I want you to buy off of me. But I'm just kidding. And that's not a real reason. But anyways, I wanted to add that in there. So thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.